Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a Grindr ban on mobile. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if you've been banned from Grindr on your mobile device, there are a few different approaches you can take to regain your access. So one of the approaches is to contact their customer support. So now to do this is to head over to the official website for Grindr, which is grindr.com. Once you're here, we want to scroll down and look on the bottom of the web page. It says help. Go ahead and click onto help and then scroll down again and then click onto get in touch. And then it'll say get in touch. How can we help? Click the drop down menu and now scroll down and just click on my issue is not listed here. And then from here, we need to fill out your email address, subject, fewer than 5 words. So put something along the lines, request to unban account or unban Grindr account, and then just give a pretty detailed description of what's happening inside your Grindr account and why you should not be banned. And then scroll down and then check this box here if the email associated with Grindr account. And then put your location, your profile ID, which is optional, but make sure you put that in because you want to unban your Grindr account, and keep scrolling down. But if you don't have your profile ID, they'll be able to find it anyway, so keep that in mind. Scroll down, device type, and then attach any files here. So you can attach a screenshot that your account is banned, and then click submit, and then give Grindr 24 to 48 hours to unban your account. Now, another way how you can unban your Grindr account is by using a VPN. So Grindr may ban users based on IP addresses, device IDs, or other identifiers. Using a VPN can help mask your IP address and potentially bypass such bans. And now, depending what you've been banned for, so we need to understand why this ban occurs. So to prevent future bans, it's essential to understand common reasons for account suspensions. So if you're sending explicit photos or messages without consent, that's self-explanatory. Harassment or hate speech is going to get you banned. Impersonation and illegal activities. So if you're not doing none of that, you should be pretty successful to get your account unbanned.